Dear friends, this is Sumon Sheikh. Now I am going to show you how to keep your file on your Google Drive. First, you need a Google account to sign in, and go your Drive option or Drive apps, browse it, and you need to sign in or sign up. If you have a Gmail account, just sign in. After signing, you will see like this. Now you have to create folders to keep your file. To create folder, just click the plus sign. Now you can see 6 icons: folder, upload, scan. Now click on folder icon and rename the folder AIS. Okay, sorry, ICT. Now click on create option. You can see it has been created. Now just click on this. Yes, it is opened. Now you can see the file is ready. Okay, and there is no items. Now to upload your file, again click on this plus sign and you can see upload option and click on this. Now here there are so many files you see, and to find out your folders of your phone storage, or click just there. Yes, now you can see there are more options or more folders, internal storage, SD cards, so many. Okay, you can upload your file from SD card or internal storage. I select my internal storage. Then you see there are all of my folders of the internal storage. You can upload your file from any folder. Just click and search it. Select your folder, internal storage. Select your needed file, and you see your one file is being uploaded. Yes, one file has been uploaded. Okay, now to share it with others, just click on this dotted icon, and now you can see there are more options. Now go to the link share or share, turning on link sharing. Just now you can see there is added an icon, which means you can share it with others, and others can see your file, or other can download, access your file. Now again click on this dot icon, and you can see there is a green color. Link sharing is on. That's great. Now copy the link. Just copy the link copied to clipboard, you can see. Now go to your browser such as Messenger or Gmail account. You can send it by Gmail or SMS. or you can publish it on your Facebook group. Now I'm going to send it to my friend through Messenger. Just paste the copied file and send it. Yes friends, you can see the file has been sent, and this is IAS1 PDF file. You can share any type of file like PDF, document, PowerPoint file, image, etc., or video. Dear friends, subscribe my channel.